All right. This backpack Husqvarna blower is hard to start, so we're gonna check the cylinder walls and see if he ran it with straight gas. Oh, it doesn't start. That's the thing. It's very hard to start.
I thought he said it started.
It starts very hard. That's why he ran. He said it takes him a half hour to start. So.
Let me guess, are we selling this too?
No, we're not selling it. Or fixing it, or see if it's worth fixing for him.
Yeah.
Dustin.
We always need to fix stuff for people.
Yeah.
And that's what we're for.
Yeah, we got time.
He used to fix stuff like every day. People will always have broke down cars because I've been wrecked. He fixed them. Even my problems with my bike. I hated that bike.
What bike?
The bike out had dinosaurs on it.
Yeah.
I hated it. It's like a belt. After this is like, if we can't fix it, I might just take it somewhere and try to fix it by myself.
You gonna try to fix it by yourself?
If you can't.
I'm pretty sure I can.
They need to make a robot one of these.
A robot?
Yeah. They have a couple wheels laying around. But it's still on one mower.
Yeah.
Oh, we really need to actually mow the lawn. If you haven't seen our garage, now there's a couple new washing machines. Oh.
Oh, it's. We're gonna take the exhaust side off, and
Dad,
yeah, buddy.
I locked my iPad so the other people can't use it.
Okay.
That's great.
That's great.
I don't like people I know JJ knows my password. JJ knows my password.
Is she? It's okay.
She used
What?
JJ, you might just take over my iPad.
I don't think she's gonna take over your iPad.
But
Give me that screwdriver, buddy.
right here?
Yep.
Trust me with this
No,
saw.
I don't trust you with that saw.
I have my own saw that looks like this. I never cut myself with it.
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, me too.
And now it's broken. That's why I told you what. You said.
Hmm.
I told you. Can you? You said you would. You never did.
Do what?
Fix my handsaw.
What's wrong with it?
The
Okay. Can you get the stuff off the blue case and bring it here?
Okay. His personal helper is helping him with this stuff. But half of his channel, I'm not in it.
What?
Half of your channel, I'm not in.
Well, you're not in every video, but
Yeah. But even I am in his videos.
what?
Now I'm in your every video. Oh, when you're fixing something. So, you get yourself an help.
I think these are T27s.
Where's the spark plug?
We haven't took the spark plug out yet, bub.
Can you take it out?
Not yet.
Guys, if you want your
I will let you take it out though.
guys, if you want your kids to help you with this stuff, kind of.
Not everyone fixes stuff like we do.
Yeah, but if you fix stuff and you're watching this,
Here, sit over here.
and just say a thing before if you let them do this. I'm surprised Jake hardly even commented on some of the videos. Oh, baby Nick. This is a cute wrench.
Cute wrench.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Okay, you take one of those nails.
What?
You take one of the nails.
No. You
What?
have your own nails.
I ran out of them.
Huh?
I ran out of them.
You ran out of them?
Yeah. It's have 1,000 of them, but I use like 20 a day. And I lost all of my nails, and that's why I need more of them. And I'm literally sitting on this spiky thing. I don't know what it's called.
Oh, that's the dirt catcher in my. You don't have to sit on it.
It feels good.
Okay.
And it raises me, kind of. So I have a higher view.
Yeah. Well, come here.
Ew. All that gunk.
See how that piston is scored like that?
Yeah.
It's not good. That's why it's not starting.
Yeah. I bet we need a new piston.
It needs a new piston and a new cylinder. See how scored that is? Oh, it's not good. Someone ran it with regular gas. So it's not starting.
I think
Another side out. If I can.
I know it can start it, but can't start that great. That's the annoying thing. Like one time.
Other side, you can see.
One time.
The other side is just a score, and that's the cylinder. So it's going to need a cylinder, a piston, and rings and gaskets.
But one time I made an engine.
Well, I just got off the phone with the guy that had the backpack blower, and he's been running straight gas in it, which he thought it said that he had to run 100% fuel in it, which, I mean, I don't see anywhere where it says that, but on the gas cap, it shows the markings. Obviously, it's a 2-cycle engine. He wants to fix it, so we'll order the parts and we'll get it fixed. So,
Like we did with